and downer.
You're the what?
Sexy principal.
Sexy principal.
Yes.
Wow.
Easy.
It's a friend.
I'm not going
That's not a book of charity. I know.
I did.
As a book of most maintaining kind of some doesn't make come with you. As I couldn't give you. Oh,
Now, but
I want to be rich. Hello. Nothing to book with us again. I'm not going to book with that. Oh, the girl will be able to. That's what's on some on Pemba young guys.
That's how you're young.
When you're go for someone. Some and Quanda. Some is near anything. Already. Sir, and yes, if you're
now we're assignment you.
about you.
Did you say about me?
Not a me boss. Not a me, but I'm UTV, not a showbiz.
Assignment.
Okay. Now,
Can't you children?
one can hear rich to
No, a lot
to
love
for
Yvonne enjoy to honorable
and now about we are also one.
That's why I said coming.
Well, the lady herself is finally here, and I'll just make it as quick as I can. Yvonne, what inspired this book?
My life inspired the book.
And why do you think this is the time for you to actually put it out there?
I want people to get a copy of the book. They would understand why this book is so important to me and why I had to write this book.
Now, talking to some of your colleagues, I asked them if they were privy to some of these stories you shared in the book, and they said yes. Usually we want to keep secrets with our friends, but you have kept these secrets for all these years, and now you have put it in a book and you're putting it out there. Why?
Just grab a copy, you'd know why.
Grab a copy!
Yeah.
Actor John Dumelo says something which I found very touching. You know, Manasseh put out a tweet about, someone very close to the president wanting you to actually contest against John Dumelo. Now, looking at her, I know she's more like a sister to you. If you have a sister who has had to go through all of these things, how would you feel and how would you be able to console her at this time of her life?
Look, I think everybody goes through tough times. And I think, like the saying goes, it's tough people who go through tough times. And so it's very important for you to write them down and for let people know. Maybe somebody's going through a similar story. Yesterday I was with a friend and, what he kept on saying was, he was just telling me about his life story and what he's going through and what he went through, and so people go through a lot of things, and what she's going through, somebody will have a similar story. Somebody will say, oh, you know what, I'm going through the same thing, but I like the way Yvonne has come out to talk about it, so it makes you heal quicker so that you can move on quicker.
There was this part Manasseh actually put out about your constituency, that there was somebody so close to the president who wanted her to stand in that constituency. Of course, you were also, standing for the NDC. How would it have been if Yvonne Nelson had taken that position to contest against you?
She told me about this thing long ago, that, somebody approached her to contest, against me. And what I realized was, I respected her for that. I respected her for, number one, telling me. I respected her for not taking that decision, because clearly, if you've been told to contest, of course, whoever is telling you, or the group of people telling you, are ready to support you with whatever it is you need. And so I think she put our friendship there, that look, you know what, John is my friend, I cannot do this against John, I cannot contest against John, and that is what real friends do, and I've really respected her for that.